Good morning, students. From Standard 7, English Medium, Unit 1, the poem. The poem name is The Squirrel, written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Today I am going to explain this poem in English and Hindi also. So listen it carefully. The poet saw a squirrel sitting on a tree and eating nuts. Its tail was raised upwards with the tip point downwards. See, the picture already is given. The squirrel eating nuts and his tail, see the tail going upwards with the tip points downwards. Thus the tail seemed to be making a question mark. See the how the tail is going to seemed just like making a question mark. It had grey coat. It was so loose that the poet calls it an overcoat. See, in order to eat a nut, it was sitting straight. Squirrel is funny little animal that likes to play with human beings, little creature, little animal. If human beings ran around his tree, the squirrel wouldn't be frightened. It would like to tease and play. To do so, it would also run round the tree, but from the opposite side. Now I am going to explain this poem in Hindi, so listen it carefully, friends. कवि ने एक गिलहरी को पेड़ पर बैठे और अखरोट खाते देखा। गिलहरी की पूंछ देखो, इसकी पूंछ ऊपर उठी हुई और उसका सिरा नीचे की तरफ झुका हुआ था। ऐसा पिक्चर में दिखाया जा रहा है। ओके, इस प्रकार पूंछ एक प्रश्न चिन्ह बनाती हुई दिखाई पड़ रही थी। जैसे कि पिक्चर में दिखाया जा रहा है, ये प्रश्नार्थ चिन्ह जैसा दिखाई पड़ रही थी। इसकी खाल भूरी थी। स्क्विरल की जो ऊपर की स्किन है वो ऐसी है, भूरी। यह इतनी ढीली थी कि कवि कहता है वह ओवरकोट पहना था। ये स्किन इतनी ढीली थी कि कवि कहते ये ओवरकोट पहना हुआ था। अखरोट खाने के लिए यह तन कर बैठा था। स्क्विरल अखरोट खाने के लिए जैसे बैठा है ना, तन कर वैसे बैठा था। गिलहरी ऐसा छोटा मज़ेदार जानवर है जो मनुष्य के साथ खेलना पसंद करता है। गिलहरी मनुष्य से डरता नहीं, लेकिन उसके साथ खेलना पसंद करता है। अगर मनुष्य उसके पेड़ के चारों ओर दौड़े तो गिलहरी डरता नहीं है। यह छेड़ना और खेलना पसंद करता है। ऐसा करने के लिए यह भी पेड़ के चारों तरफ दौड़ता है, पर विपरीत दिशा में दौड़ता है। ओके, सो दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन of the poem. Now I am going to read the stanza and explain the poem. Now see the first line of the poem. He wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So some are the keywords or hard words of the poem. Now see, here the word is given war for what? War for made. Question marks here given. Question mark. So what? Question mark is sign of interrogation. Okay. Then for tail means in the shape of a tail. Here given the word overcoat means wearing a gown, just like wearing what? Gown. And here given of grey is a color name. Okay, भूरे रंग का. Then the word is given the straight. Straight means erect. Okay, and nut means अखरोट. then the word here around. Around means near. Around his tree means the near is tree. And the word other way means the opposite direction. Ulti disha. Okay, now I am explaining this poem. The formation of the squirrel's tail that is raised upwards with its tip pointing downwards is identical to a question mark. To a question mark. It is blessed with grey coat and position itself straight to eat a nut. Okay, straight to eat a nut. Set up. He was sitting like straight to eat a nut, and his tail showing that a question mark. The squirrel is quite playful as it loves to run the opposite direction that the prank loving human beings take when they run around its tree. तो क्या है इस पोएम में कि पूछ के नाम पर उसके पास एक प्रश्न चिन्ह था। वह एक भूरे रंग का ओवरकोट पहने था। एक अखरोट खाने के लिए वह सीधा खड़ा था। बराबर, अखरोट खाने के लिए वो सीधा खड़ा था। वह छेड़ना और खिलना पसंद करता था, और अगर हम उसके वृक्ष के आसपास दौड़ते तो वह दूसरे रास्ते चला जाता था। ठीक है, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, अदर वे मीन्स ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन चला जा रहा था। तो सो students, this is the poem The Squirrel explanation. I hope you understand, and we will discuss MCQ later on in the next class. Thank you.